we're at the campsite. I've thrown out the blocks to put under my stabilizing feet. I've chalked the wheels on the camper. Now I'm going to disconnect the hitch. So here, I've already plugged in the power to the AC too, so I can be done with this. Now, let's take off these stabilizer bars first. So, up here, take these off. Take the pin out. Get your cheater bar. Now, make sure the photographer stands clear, because you're going to just pull this down. This bar is going to go flying that way. So, stand over here, hit the bar. Now, roll that out. Go ahead and take off the anti-sway bar. Loosen the brake on it. That's out there. Key back there, and you can pull it out. Key in, right back there. Take off the other road leveling bar. Works the same as one on that side. Take out the keeper pin. Stand clear. There it goes. Pull that out. Keep it there. Keep that there. Keep the pin back in. Take off the chains. Untie your emergency brake. Okay, now we are ready to disconnect from the truck, so we can slide this up. Okay, we're off the truck. We can put this pin back in here. Didn't get lost. Pull the truck up a few inches out of the way. Alright, now pull your hitch out. Like so. This is very heavy. Just keep it there. It's a pretty safe campground, so we're not going to worry about putting that away. The next person pulling this may not have a pin, so we'll leave the pin with that. Take out my adapter. Okay, now level, side to side. You can't do much other than drive the tires up on wood blocks. It's a level spot, so we're good. Here we have a level gauge for the front to back. We'll run it down until we get to the middle level. Alright, that's pretty good. I'm actually going to go past level. I'm going to run down the stabilizing feet on this end. Look at that. Block in on this side. Okay. And we'll run those down till they bottom out. Okay. Now I will raise the thumbtack just a little bit. A little. That gives me extra stabilization back there. And then I'll okay. Now we are as level as we're going to be. Now we can run the tip outside. Okay, still rolling. All right, we're going to hook up the sewer and the water. First, all right, got some water line here. Next up here on the driver's side. Right here, city water connections. Turn it on, see if it leaks. Leaking? Oh, not leaking at all. That's good. Now, sewer line. Okay, we got to hope we have enough hose here. We have 2 pieces. Part you might want to wear gloves. What's on there? Connections on the other side. Connection. Actually, gonna stick that in there real good. And screw this in. Just don't want it popping out. And connect this. There we go. We should have water and sewer. Alright. With flush, you always want to fill plenty of water in there and then let it go down so that it washes the bottom of that tank out as it goes out. I want to make sure our hot water heater is lit. Here are some bypass valves. I'll make sure that they are not in the bypass mode, which they are not. The water's going through the hot water heater. That can get you. I usually just turn on one gas bottle at a time. They're both full. So let's open that one all the way up. I gotta verify our gas lines are filled. So the easiest way to do that is to light the gas stove. So you turn it over here on light. Just turn all the burners on light, not the oven. Spark it. See, your gas isn't flowing well yet. We've only got one burner lit. There we go. That'll save you some headache because your water heater tries to light. If it doesn't light, you gotta wait a couple minutes and it tries again. You want to fill your gas lines up before you start going through that process. So our gas lines are full. Good there. Light the water heater. You got two options. You have LP gas or electric. The water pump switch is only for using your holding tank, which we're connected to city water, so we can leave the pump off. LP gas is what we're using, so we turn that on. It will try to light, and then it will flicker if it doesn't light. It may give us an error. If I'm not patient enough, I always go outside and see if it lit by looking at it. So, it is not lit. There's no flame here. Let's see if we got water in it. Do have water in the tank. That's good. It won't light if there's no water. So, sometimes you usually have to take 2 to 3 attempts to light. So, we'll go back in there, turn that switch off, turn it back on. Wearing out. So you can see we have the DSI fault. That means it didn't light. So we turn it off, and we'll give it a minute, turn it back on, and it should try to light again. It'll go through a little sequence where it tries to light and it checks the flame, so forth. We can run out real quick and look at that. Oh, I hear it now. Yeah, it lit. Lit that time. You can visually check. You can see the flame in there. So it's good. High needle there. So it lit. It's good. Nothing's leaking. Here's the drain plug for the water heater for if you want to winterize it. Take that drain plug out. That's the pressure relief valve there. But it's lit. Should be fine. So we'll go ahead and close this back up. Put the nut back on there, good and tight so it doesn't fall off on the road. There we go. All right, water heater is lit. We have water, we have hot water, we have electricity, we have sewage. We're level. Have not put these chocks on this side. I chalked the other side before I took it off the truck. You always want to be chalked before you disconnect from the truck because you don't want your camper rolling down the hill without you. So I had one set of tires chalked, so that was fine. All right, I think we're set up. Other than amenities like raise the TV antenna if you got TV to watch, that kind of thing. But basically you're set up. Hey, it's Hank. This video I walk through setting up my camper at the campsite. I've got timestamps on this checklist here. If you want to see a certain thing, go to that timestamp on the video.